Hi everyone, family friends, welcome back to TEMIBECKY TV. My name is Rebecca. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make Nigerian delicious buns. Stay tuned. And I'm going to be using this today for the first time. So 3 cups of flour, 2 eggs, 120 ml of sugar, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 spoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 250 ml of milk, room temperature butter, sweet, milk, this milk. So guys, This is the outcome of our buns. It's looking beautiful, golden. Do you see it? So I know it's going to be delicious. So now, see, it's not too strong. See it? Wow. So delicious, guys. Very nice. Not too. Thanks for watching, guys. So we have come to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And guys, make sure you always turn up your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. See you in my next one. Bye bye.